In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect interactive brokers to NinjaTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Tools up top, click on Settings, and you want to make sure multi-provider is actually enabled, so there has to be a check mark. Once you have a check mark, click on Apply and OK, and then go to Connections. Click on Configure at the bottom right. If you haven't ticked that check mark inside Settings, you won't be able to see this. And of course, click on Configure, and in here under Available, you'll be able to see Interactive Brokers. Click on it and click on Add. It's going to get added over here, and then you can give the connection a name. If you want it to connect on startup, you can check that as well. And then you will receive, of course, from your interactive brokers, I'm assuming you already have an account, you'll receive your username and password for NinjaTrader. And then down here, you can go ahead and change different settings as well. In case that's necessary, you'll also be able to notice by the interactive brokers platform. They will, of course, tell you where you will receive your sign-in credentials. You'll receive these instructions as well in case anything over here has to be changed, such as the host, etc. And then here, after you're done, click on Apply and OK. And then you can just go ahead and under Connections, click on your interactive brokers, which is going to be on the list, and then you will connect to them. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.